conflict of interest for me. I shouldn't be dating any of the players' moms, except for Becca's mom.
I'm filming him now.
She came to practice last night, but I'm not going to call her. I thought about it, but then I knew what happened with your mom was wrong. And I said,
Well, you're on the phone. They can't hear you.
Well, I did call her, but I'm not going to follow up on it because that would be wrong.
He's so funny. He's digging at it. Oh, he's gonna squeeze. Oh, no, he's not.
Brenda, let me tell you a little bit something about women.
He's not gonna squeeze. Are you gonna squeeze through?
But I'll tell you something, men are not like women.
Yay!
What we're talking about. Will you give her a call? You know what, I honestly don't think that after this whole situation with your mom, I did some reflecting. And a poem. I'm not gonna read you that poem. It's a little personal. And it has some dirty language in it. It's more like a limerick.
Skippy squeeze.
I wish I could read it to you.
No.
It makes me laugh every time I read it. I think it's a very good limerick.
Right on. I'd love to hear it.
Let's see if Skippy will come out. Yay, Skippy! Oh, bye, Skippy.
Hello, smaller.